Hello and welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to unbox one corded mouse from HP and one corded mechanical keyboard from Zebronics. So already I was using one wireless keyboard and mouse from Logitech for the last 3 years. Now this dongle from this wireless keyboard and mouse is creating some issues sometimes. So I am replacing this wireless keyboard and mouse combo with the new keyboard and mouse. So in this video I will just unbox and try to connect these things and show you guys how the things are working. So let's jump into the unboxing. This is the mouse, guys, and this is the wheel. hpMouse X1000 with USB, optical and 3 button. We have some details there which we don't have to look at. This is where other 3 details are given, like 3 button including rubber scroll wheel, ambidextrous design for left and right hand use, no software installation or setup required, so it's okay. So HP total care is also provided with this mouse. System requirement is like USB, and from XP to Windows 10 it will support what the company is saying. 1 year warranty they are giving. I will also try this mouse with the Linux system. So this is the top and this is the bottom of the box. So let's see what's inside. For this little mouse there are huge manual provided with this mouse. Let's see the mouse. Let's put off all this manuals side. If something goes wrong I will come to this, otherwise let's leave it in the box itself with the plastic. This is the mouse, guys, the USB and all. So let's peel off this thing. Yes, nice, it's looking nice. Good shape, small mouse, it fits into my hand and everything. Let's hear the clicks. Yes, thing is working fine. Very dust magnet. Already the dust is sticking with the mouse. I also ordered one keyboard, a mechanical keyboard, a cheapest mechanical keyboard in the Amazon. So with that I will be using this mouse. Let's unbox the keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard from Zebronics, ZEB-NITRO, and it's a USB interfaced keyboard. Here is the peel and everything. I don't like the packaging of this keyboard. This is how it came from Amazon, and I don't know how the thing will be inside. So let's get into the unboxing. Fine. Pull this thing up from here. Now I think it will come. Okay, guys, so this is how the things came in the box. This is really good. This is the braided cable, what they say, good quality cable. And let's just put this thing out of the box. Very heavy. What I use in a daily basis, this keyboard is little heavy from all those keyboards. This keyboard looks very nice. All the clicky sound and everything. It's a very heavy keyboard with braided cables. As you can see, all the cables are braided, and this is a USB 2.0 connection. In the back we have these 2 stands like this, and the 2 rubber feet in the bottom of the keyboard. That's it. Let's connect it to the laptop and see how it lights up. It has all the caps lock, num lock and scroll lock LEDs are all included with the keyboard. So this keyboard was Logitech keyboard and it was running on this dongle. So I'll put out this dongle right now. So and put this keyboard and mouse aside. So for the new keyboard, we'll place it here and just need to how the keyboard lights up. Very nice looking keyboard. Okay, I just love the clicking sound of this keyboard. I'm very much liking the sound. So let's open notepad. All the keys are not sounding the same, but still it's very nice to have the feeling. Let's see all the things are working or not. This is caps lock. Okay, this is num lock, and where is the scroll lock? I think this is the scroll lock. Yes, everything is working fine. This is how the keyboard looks in a very low light room. I have very little light in this room right now, so this is looking very good. All the letters are showing very nicely, clear and crystalline clear. Everything is illuminating properly. This is really dark right now. I don't have any light even from the monitor. I am also not having any light. Previously in my monitor there was the notepad opened. Now everything is closed and this is how it's look in a very dark room. Where I have natural light, but this is not coming in the camera right now. Still it's looking really nice. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. After testing this keyboard and mouse with both the Windows and Linux systems, I can say that this keyboard and mouse is working smoothly with both the operating systems. There is no issues with at all with the Linux and Windows. No driver, nothing you have to install, only plug and play. And there will be a next video with this keyboard only. In that video I will be going to show you all the 21 lighting modes the keyboard has and all the lighting animations. So thank you for watching, and if you are still watching this video, then please click like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.